Have you ever wondered what it would be like to connect your SiteGPT bot with Google Chat? Lucky for you, we in this video are going to show you exactly how that's done. Wouldn't it be pretty cool if your Google Chat was a one-stop shop for everything that you need to know? By the end of this tutorial, you're going to be able to set up a SiteGPT chatbot on your Google Chat, which can help answer questions about your organization, website, or products, making your Google Chat not just a messaging tool, but a knowledge hub. Let's dive in. So getting started, you're going to log into your SiteGPT dashboard. Once you're logged in, look in at the sidebar and click on integrations. Scroll down until you can see the Google Chat integration right here. Click connect. And first and foremost, in order for this to be activated, you'll notice that right here, you need to actually get access from support at SiteGPT, so just ask. Now, after you've chatted with support at ChatGPT, we can click on connect, and you'll see right here that it pops up with this integration URL. If we copy this link, so grab that URL, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google Cloud Console. Make sure that you're actually in the right Google account though. And then you're gonna click on new project right here. And let's just call this my SiteGPT bot. Click create and let's wait for this existence to be born. Then when it's created, we can jump into the project. Then we can go over to accessing these API and services. So in the search bar, what we can do is we can type out Google Chat API. You'll notice it's right here. You can select it, then press enable. Now, once the API is enabled, then we're going to click on this configuration tab, and this will help you with some of the customization. So you can put in something like my company bot, add a link to your logo image. This can be pulled from another source, so we can just paste this in here and briefly describe your bot's purpose. So for example, a chat bot to answer questions. I would enable this interactive features and select all options. Now, in this app URL, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the SiteGPT link that we copied earlier and then paste this right on top. Moving forward with this, we can actually add some slash commands that'll make it so that the bot's very easy to work with. So let's add a couple right here. Let's make one, for example, /clear chat. Command ID can be the first one since it was the first one we made. And then a description would be resets and starts a new conversation. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure if we scroll down right here that we actually make it visible. So add this email to anyone. So for example, let's add my email. You can separate this with multiple commas, and then you're going to hit save. Now, after you've gone through this, you're going to go to your Google Chat workspace, logged into the same account, and you're going to invite it by entering the name of that bot that you called it. So for example, the name of it was my company bot right here. So if you wanted to call it, for example, my company Rise Productive, or if we wanted to call it SiteGPT bot, whatever your preference is. So if you notice right here, if I go to this example chat and I want to add somebody, I can add my company bot. Ooh, look at that. Hey, look at that. It's integrated. This is so cool. And you'll notice that it has the exact same prompts that I had from the default prompts in my ChatGPT bot. So right here, all these quick prompts, they're showing up right here. Check it out. You'll notice that after I did that, it then hits me with a really nice response. And then I could ask it, it is a great deal. What is your best template? And in a moment, similar to what you'd have with your stuff on SiteGPT, it's going to actually give you a ping and response. This is so cool. Oh my God. I actually really like this. This is fun. Wasn't that pretty awesome? I'm really liking the way that now I can interact with and add my company bot to any of the different chats or spaces that I'd like. And now within my Google Chat, I very much have a useful internal company chatbot that can answer everyone's questions. If you like this video and want to see what we do more here at SiteGPT, make sure to check out this video right here.